So in the last month, I made a couple of millions, and it was all through affiliate marketing. Yeah. So I want you to understand that when it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to think outside what you see generally. Okay, it doesn't have to be selling all these digital products on Twitter, going to people's comment section to drop links and telling people I can teach you how to make 750K monthly, I can teach you how to make 1 million monthly. You're constituting nuisance. You are disturbing people. You are just doing rubbish. Honestly, I don't know who taught you guys that, but if you have been observant, you see that many people have actually brought bad reputation to the term affiliate marketing. All right, I've made a couple of millions doing affiliate marketing, and I don't disturb anyone, and nobody even knows I do affiliate marketing. There's different ways via which I make this money. I'm going to share them with you so that you understand exactly how affiliate marketing works and you can implement it because it is easy. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses that you can start with 0 naira. Is it difficult? Yes. I mean, making millions of money is not easy, but it is doable. Sometimes you might get lucky and you just get started and start making sales just like that. I have friends who are both within the country and outside the country, right? Sometimes my friend could call me up like, "Oh, I have some amount of money and I want to invest in properties, so somewhere in Lagos or Abuja or Ibadan or all these areas," and they want to be sure they're making the right decision. And me, I have friends also who are developers, real estate developers. They own companies, right, in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, everywhere. They're scattered everywhere, making good real estate options for people available. So all I simply do is, okay, since you have brought it up that you want to invest in property, I simply tell them, oh, I have a few of them that I can recommend to you. If you just check it out, if you like it, I can connect you to the owner of the company or to the owner of the property. You can buy, and it is easier that way. It saves you a lot of costs. It saves you time. It is genuine, and your money is working for you. And they say, oh, please do that. And I call the owner of the company. Hey, I have someone who wants to buy properties in such place, and I know you have them. So how is it going to be? Let's talk deal. Let's talk business. I will tell you my own conditions. You give me your own conditions also. Then we can have an agreement. Either I get 10%, 15%, 20%, sometimes even more, and sometimes even less. Sometimes it could be 5%. And then I connect them, and this transaction will happen successfully, and I get my own cut. This my cut can be 5 million sometimes. It can be 500K sometimes. It can be 2 million sometimes. There are times it is 10 million. There are times it is 20 million naira. Depends on the volume of transaction and your agreement with the seller. Some sellers will say, okay, you know what? This property is 20 million. I'm giving you, sell it any amount you want, but give my 20 million. Yes, property is 20 million. I'm giving you to sell any amount you want, but give me my 20 million. These are the documents. They give you the documents. You go and sell it. Any amount you decide to sell it, just take your own cut and give them the 20 million. Simple. That is affiliate marketing because you are not the owner of the product. You simply helped connect buyer to seller. You are the middleman. You take your own cut and you leave. Business is done. Everyone is happy. There was time I sold a chair, you know, sitting room chair, all this sofa, all these chairs. This my senior man. He's outside the country, right? He wanted to buy chairs for his house. You know, this Igbo man. He just built a house and he needed all these royal set, good royal set, both for the sitting and for the dining. And he reached out to me and I said, okay, sir, don't worry, I will go and instead of importing, let me go to Alaba and get you the good ones and the best deals. Let me go and get you phone numbers of the people who are dealing in it so I can discuss with them. He agreed. I went to Alaba, I met some of them. I discussed with them. We discussed prices. They told me the price, and I asked them, okay, what is my own cut in all of this? Because I cannot come here all the way and make this collection and I don't get a cut. We agreed on some percentage, right? I made videos about 7 of thereabout of the different sets. The man liked them. He selected one. He made payment to them. This thing cost millions, so not 1 million, not 2 million, not 3 million. It cost millions. He made payments to them. I got my own cut. Business is done. I'm not the one to deliver it. They have their delivery vehicle, this long, big lorry, big van. They deliver to the east, to the man. I got my own cut. It's affiliate marketing because I'm not the owner of the business. I'm not the owner of the product. I simply connected a buyer to a seller. When we were younger then, in the 90s, early 2000, I used to go to Yaba to hustle, to sell jeans and to sell shirts, all those stuff. We used to do it now. After, when you sell a jean, you make 150, 200, 100 naira, as the case may be. Sometimes 500 if you are strong. Those days though, at the end of the day, you might be going home with 1k or 700 naira or 500. This amount made a lot of sense back then. This amount was big money back then in the 90s, in the early 2000s. I used to go to Yaba to hustle. Yes, now give person jeans, bros, check out this one, Akube, check out this one, sharp. You go fit to my color, see this one. You hustle because you know that nobody will give you. You have to work your way out. It is affiliate marketing. In Igbo, they call it Oswahia, Ibanzama, Apriko, Oswahia. You hustle your way. It's affiliate marketing. On this YouTube, I have made millions. In fact, last month I made over 2 million naira when I checked. It was simply I put links to products in my video description, right? I put links. I don't know if anybody's going to see it or anybody's going to read it, but I put the links there. And guess what? When I check dashboard on some of the platforms where I put the link, I see that my affiliate commission is growing. It is growing. Do you understand? And this is in dollars. People watch my video from all around the world. Nigeria, United States, Canada, UK, all around the world. So they watch this video, they go through the description of the video, and they see the link to the product, and they see the description of the link there. They click on it, they like the product. It could be a digital product, mostly digital products. They purchase, and I get my commission, sometimes 30%, sometimes 40%, based on your agreement with them and based on what they have to offer, the companies. And when I checked at the end of the month from the different platforms on my dashboard, I was seeing, see me. So all these small things now, see me. More than 2 million naira last month here. By simply putting links on my video. Affiliate marketing. I don't have to make noise about it. I don't have to disturb anybody. It pays my bills. I mean, 2 million is a lot of money in Nigeria to sort out some bills. It can feed you for the whole month, you and your family. I have a family. I have a large family. I have to provide as the man. So I have to have different sources of income. On my videos, you will always see links to different products that people can buy. The products can be either digital or physical, depending on what you want to do. See, people have blogs. People have blogs that they place banners on their blog. They place links on their blog. If you use that link to purchase a product, they get a commission. You can start the same thing. You can sell insurance. Simply educate people on the importance of health insurance. Why it is cheaper to have a health insurance, so that because you never know what might happen, and the insurance will cover your health, your treatment, and everything. Then you recommend a reliable insurance coverage or company to them. When somebody reads through your educative content about the importance of health insurance, they will now click on that link and make a purchase. When they purchase, you get a commission. You can write about car insurance, the importance. You can write about house insurance, business insurance, different types of insurance. When they make a successful purchase, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing. You can blog about cars, blog about different cars, and even vlog about different cars, about the horsepower, about the movement, about everything about the car, the specifications, the benefits, and everything. Somebody might be interested in one car, and you tell them, okay, I have if you want to buy, these are the price of this car, these are where you can buy cars, and when they buy, you get the cut. Affiliate marketing. So you don't have to jump from one comment section to another, telling people that I can teach you how to make 1 million in a month. Don't do that. You are constituting nuisance. If you are making 1 million in a month, you will not be jumping from one comment section to another, disturbing people. Make that money, have the result. It will show that you're having the result, and people will believe your results. They will come to you. So if you'd like to make money through affiliate marketing, I have made some videos about it on my channel. I can link them in the description, or you can just check out my channel in the affiliate marketing playlist. Learn it. Think outside the normal thing that you see people do. Do something different. I told you about how I do with furniture. People do it with electronics. People do it with different stuff, with real estate, with cars. People do this with interior decoration business. You can do it with interior decoration, right? But probably you know someone who just built a house, an uncle, an acquaintance, a family friend, whoever it is. If you approach the person like, "Oh, this your house is lovely," a good interior would make it a heaven. I know this guy who does an amazing interior job. Look at all the job he has done. He will give this place a marvelous look. Person will be like, "Please connect me with them," and you call the interior person and see. I have a friend or an uncle who just built a house, and I'd like to connect you with him so that you can do his interior design. I don't worry, I will smoothen the job. I will make sure you get the job. But what am I getting? What is my cut? You agree. You have a agreement. An agreement is agreement, right? And then there you connect them. The person makes payment, and you get your cut. Simple. Affiliate marketing. It doesn't have to be jumping from one comment section to another. Don't do that. Don't be a nuisance. Do your own thing differently, move creatively, think outside the box. There's a whole lot of money, millions that you can make every month doing affiliate marketing quietly, enjoying your money, and nobody knows you are doing affiliate marketing because everybody does affiliate marketing. People recommend products and services to people every day. The difference is that people don't get paid, some don't get paid doing it, but you can get paid recommending daily products and services to people, and you are happy doing it, right? Everyone is happy. Affiliate marketing is a good and lucrative business. Think about it. Just think outside the box. Be creative, be unique in your own way. Let your own approach be different. You're going to make a lot of money. All right. If you'd like to learn it, I think I've made a lot of videos on this channel. Go through those videos, watch those videos. I will link them to the description. Or you can just check out the affiliate marketing videos in the playlist of my channel. But do your own thing differently. Do it creatively. There are guys who promote my course, my e-commerce course. They get 50% of every sale they make. They are making money. They are not disturbing anybody on the comment sections and being nuisance. No. Affiliate marketing can pay your bills, can pay your rent, can buy you a car, can afford you a good life. Every month from YouTube, I make money through affiliate marketing by simply leaving links on my video. People who own blogs put links and banners on their blog, affiliate marketing. People recommend products to people and they get commission, affiliate marketing. People do real estate and they get commission, affiliate marketing. All of this is affiliate marketing. Just be creative in your own approach and you're going to make a lot of money. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer you in the comment section. Share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful. If you have any contributions to the topic, please also leave it in the comment section. All right, my name is Courage Ngele and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.